already been cleaned out. This is the greasiest lock I have ever run into in my life, and I want to make sure my friend sees this.
Pretty much.
It's obvious this is not as sealed as he told me it was, because this thing is full of grease, obviously. There shouldn't be any garbage on those blue towels at all. Oh God, that scared me.
Sorry.
But I dropped something big. Alright. Damn. I gotta get them all out. This thing is filthy. I've never had to wash these before, but this one had holes drilled in the bottom. So evidently the grease was finding its way in. And it took me 2 hours of manipulation to get this damn thing open. I'd rather clean it with something else, but all I got is WD-40 with me tonight. So WD-40 will have to do. It's certainly not going to hurt it, as long as I can. It feels gooey and not sticky. Ugh. Definitely. Having a lot of issues. The safe's getting stuck closed, and the fly on the third wheel is getting stuck. This little guy here. We're not going to have that problem now. I don't want to give away my little secret, but that allows for quite a bit of numbers mistake in your last wheel if the combination won't work for some reason. You can feel the drop point from the outside when the fence is going in, but or where it's supposed to go in. But if it don't, that little guy right there can actually get stuck, or actually moves around, which can change your last digit as much as 10 numbers, which means the safe ain't gonna open. Everybody say I shouldn't be putting this stuff in here, but I'd rather have some WD-40 in there than nothing. Only because I want full of grease. Little ball bearing here. There's also needs to be nice and grease free. Grease free. Anyway, we'll pause it here and I'll turn it back on in a few minutes. Alright. Got our little ball bearing back in there. There's a third wheel fly. It's moving. Totally unrestricted. This one's appears to be moving okay, but as you can see, well, you can't see because it's really a feel more than anything. It's not moving like it should. That thing should almost dance inside that hole. Like I said, I haven't ever seen a safe box get this dirty inside before. I'm not really comfortable working on a damn desk. Wow. You can see what's going on here. I'm going to polish this. Clean as possible. This is a restaurant and there's a lot of grease floating around, and I can just tell by the color of this thing. Sure as hell smells better. You like the smell of WD anyway. Anyway, there's second wheel. Got that on there. I don't believe I did that. Pause. Jay is watching this. He's thinking, oh boy, gonna have to do that over again. I'm still recording. Oh amazed. There we go. This one's all nice and clean. Be a nice ring for somebody. Got a small enough finger anyway. But that right there is the problem. Was the problem anyway.
Really?
And now it's moving totally unrestricted. Get my spacer ring in. Double check. Things are not going to float like you want them to. One, two, three. One wheel, second wheel, third wheel. Third wheel. They're all lined up. When they're all lined up like that, this little bad boy will fall in when it's supposed to. Pause again. Okay, we got our fence and our gate back on. Looky there. Nice grab. The safety goes down. The bolt will go back. We're in good shape now. We'll do that again when you can see it. This is when the cover's on. It's a safety. If somebody knocks the cover off trying to break in. And then of course that will allow the safe to pull the bolt in right here. And we're going to lock it, and then of course the wheels will pop up and this will start riding around. I don't want to mess that up right now. Now let's get my Jesus clip out of here, which was also, I can't show you, but it was just all kinds of grease on there. It's embarrassing. And we're ready to put her back in the box. Don't worry about it. And there you go. Done for now.